Have you ever hired someone for a customer service role, only to realize they don't really like working with people? Customer service can make or break your company. If you hire someone who's impatient, disorganized, or gets stressed out, it shows, and not in a good way. Our customer service aptitude tests help you catch these issues before they become customer complaints. It tests for traits like having a helping mindset, conscientiousness, and stress management, which are all critical for service-oriented roles. The dashboard makes it easy to manage. You can send out tests quickly and get the results in a user-friendly dashboard. And the score reports, they'll be on a simple pass-fail. You'll get a detailed look at each candidate's abilities and potential concerns, with interview questions based on their results. Plus, pricing is designed to be flexible. You only pay per test in blocks, with no subscriptions or long-term commitments tying you down. Hiring the wrong person for customer service isn't just frustrating, it's expensive. Test your applicants today to start building a great customer experience.